Hello everybody and welcome to my video today. Today I am sharing with you what our club projects are for the month of October. This is my Ink It Up and Create Stamp Club, and these are the projects that we are making. So you get to make two each of these cards. These cards feature the brightly gleaming designer paper and then also the stamp set and the punch. So that's a bundle that we're using. It has all of these really fun copper elements. We use a little bit of the new copper ink pad that Stampin' Up! Is offering. And you get to make two each of these cards. So you get a card kit from me that contains all of the pieces to make these three cards plus a very fun bonus project. And that bonus project is put together live on our Facebook group. So I get to hang out with you guys and make a project with you. And that is always fun. There's some great elements here with the copper foiling. You'll get all of these pieces. All you have to do to join in with this stamp club is just make a purchase each month, and the purchase is $50 or more, and I give you a supply list. This month it is the bundle, which is the punches and the stamp, which this is so fun. We're going to do some watercoloring with this. It's a fun set to have. And then the designer paper, which includes these really fun copper foiling on it. I love this paper. It's one of my favorite papers from the holiday catalog because of the copper foiling. So there is a link below where you will sign up to join, and then I will send you an exclusive host code where you'll place your order. You do not have to order these supplies if you don't want them. You'll just need them to create your projects. So I have a list of products that we're using for the next few months so you can plan out your orders, and then that way you know what you're getting and when you're getting it. It comes with exclusive pre-recorded videos of each of these cards so that you can put those together at your own time. And then it also has a PDF with supply list and measurements and color combos and all of that. And then everything gets emailed out. So even if you can't join us on Facebook, everything is recorded. You have access to everything. And it's so much fun to be a part of a live hangout where I can interact with you guys and chat with you guys about the projects we're making. And every month there is a giveaway. So far I've given away a Stamparatus, a card kit. We'll have a new giveaway this month. Everybody is always entered into that giveaway. And then this month I have an exclusive gift that will be in the Stamp Club projects for you guys. Just because I happen to love the product so much, I want you guys to be able to just have it. So there's always fun things with my Stamp Club members. I would love for you to join, so visit the link down below in the YouTube description, or if you're on my Facebook page, it'll be in that description or on my website. If you have any questions, you can always ask by leaving a comment or emailing me. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I'll be back later this week with some more projects for you guys using some more of the holiday catalog items. Thanks so much, and I'll talk to you guys later.
Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are two other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.